Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Do you like Mommy's cooking?
Yeah.
Thank you for eating Mommy's cooking. I'll cut the egg for you.
So yummy.
So yummy. Thank you.
So yummy egg. So yummy egg.
Eat slowly, anak. Make sure to eat first what's in your mouth. Oopsie. You can pick it up. You could also eat the rice. Rice is good. Hold on. I'll fold this one for you. Oopsie. That's it. I'll pick one for you. Ta-da!
Sabaw.
Sabaw? You want sabaw? I'll get you some sabaw.
Yum sabaw.
Thank you.